Laundry day.
洗衣服的日子。
Saturday morning, Olivia heads to the shared laundry room with her laundry basket and finds Daniel there, holding a rag, with a puddle of fabric softener on the floor.
星期六早上，奥利维亚抱着要洗的衣服来到公共洗衣间，发现丹尼尔也在，手里拿着抹布，地上还有一滩柔软精。
Oh, you're here. What happened here?
哇，你也在？这里发生什么事了？
I dropped my fabric softener. The whole bottle.
我打翻了柔软精，整罐。
Oh no. Sorry. It smells very nice in here.
不会吧？哈，抱歉，但这里闻起来好香。
Very funny. I've been cleaning for 20 minutes.
很好笑，我已经擦20分钟了。
Almost done?
差不多清完了吗？
Almost. My wash hasn't even started yet.
差不多，我的衣服到现在还没开始洗。
Which machines are free?
哪几台是空的？
That one is running, not mine. This one is mine. The last one is free.
再转的那台不是我的，这台是我的，最后那台是空的。
Perfect. One is enough.
太好了，一台就够。
Be careful. The floor is still a little wet.
小心，地板还有点湿。
This is the best this room has ever smelled.
这间洗衣间从来没这么香过。
You're welcome.
不客气。
Huh. Okay, let me start my wash.
哈，好，我来洗衣服。
Mine can finally start too.
我的也终于可以按下去了。
What temperature did you use?
你都用什么水温洗？
Cold. I always use cold.
冷水，我都用冷水。
That's good for most things.
大部分衣服这样洗就对了。
I had one disaster with hot water.
我用热水洗出过一次惨案。
What happened?
怎么了？
A wide shirt. It turned pink.
一件白衬衫，整件变粉红色。
Oh no. Was there a red thing in there?
不会吧？是不是混到红色的衣服？
A red sock. One red sock.
一只红袜子，就那么一只。
Huh. That's a classic mistake.
哈，这超经典的。
I know that now. Thank you.
我现在学乖了，谢谢。
Did you keep the shirt?
那件衬衫你还留着吗？
No. But I kept the sock.
没有，但那只袜子我留着。
Why?
为什么？
As a reminder.
留着提醒自己。
That's actually very smart.
这招真的蛮聪明的。
I learn from mistakes.
我会从错误中学习。
A very engineer thing to say.
这句话很工程师哎。
Huh. Maybe.
哼，也许吧。
Do you separate colors?
你有分深浅色吗？
Now I do. Always.
现在有了，每次都分。
Good man.
做得好。
What are you washing today?
你今天洗什么？
Towels and some clothes.
毛巾，还有一些衣服。
Do you use fabric softener?
你有用柔软精吗？
Always. For towels especially. And you?
一定用，尤其是洗毛巾。你呢？
Mine is all over the floor, remember?
我的整罐都在地板上了，记得吗？
I have extra. I can lend you some.
我有多的，分你一点。
Are you sure?
真的可以吗？
Yes, it's fine. Here.
可以啦，拿去给你。
Thank you. How much do you use?
谢谢。这个要放多少啊？
A cap. 1 cap.
一个瓶盖，一盖的量就够。
Got it. Cap.
了解，一盖。
Is this your first time using this laundry room?
你是第一次用这间洗衣间吗？
Second. First time was okay.
第二次，上次还算顺利。
The dryer on the left is faster.
烘衣机要用左边那台，比较快。
Good to know.
学到了。
And don't leave your clothes in the machine.
还有，衣服洗完不要忘在机器里。
What happens?
会怎样？
Mrs. Kim will take them out and put them on the table.
Kim 太太会直接帮你拿出来，放在桌上。
Ah, Mrs. Kim again.
啊，又是 Kim 太太。
She runs this building.
这栋楼其实是她在管的。
Not Mr. Chen?
不是陈先生吗？
Mr. Chen has the title. Mrs. Kim has the power.
陈先生挂名 ，Kim 太太掌权。
Huh, I see.
哈，我懂了。
Okay, both machines are running. Let's go up.
好，两台都开始转了，上楼吧。
I'll set an alarm, like for trash night.
我来设闹钟，跟倒垃圾之夜一样。
Huh, smart. Then we'll both come back in 40 minutes.
哈，聪明。那我们40分钟后又会同时回来。
What will you do until then?
那你这40分钟要干嘛？
Draw. My friend Grace is coming over. She talks while I draw.
画图啊，我朋友葛雷斯要过来，他都在我画图的时候讲个不停。
Who's Grace?
葛雷斯是谁？
My best friend. She lives in this building too.
我最好的朋友，他也住这栋。
Small world. See you in 40 minutes.
世界真小。那40分钟后见。